Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be walking you through a chatbot I built using Gemini API with Python and Django. For the front end is built with TailwindCSS. I didn't focus too much on the design, I didn't have enough time, so let's just dive in. Okay, so as you can see, this is the login page, and this here is the nav bar. This is the name of the chatbot, Luna, and here are some dummy links, and this is the links for the login and registration page, and down here is the footer page. And so first, let's start with the registration process. I will go ahead and click on the create an account button or link here. I will be directed to the registration page. As you can see, this is the registration page, and if you want to go back and forth between the login page and the registration page, you could click on here and do this, or you could, like this, you can go back and forth between the two pages. And let me just go ahead and fill in the required details needed. Like the first name, I would just leave my name, and the email should be a valid email because we have to do something with that later. Okay, username I would give as Harry. Password, I would have to repeat the password to check. And yeah, I have filled in the required details here. So let me just register this as a new user. Once I hit the registration button, I would be automatically redirected to the login page. And I have used the uh, Postgres SQL as the database for this project. And now we can't log in because there's a problem. We have to verify our email first. If we don't verify the email, we can't log in. So let's just go to my email here. Okay, there would be a mail sent to me. Yeah, here. Your account needs to be verified. Let me just click on that. And yeah. Hey Hari, thank you for signing up with Luna. And there's a link provided for verifying. And don't mind the email outlet blog generator. It's my previous project. If you didn't watch it, go check it out. And let me just click on this, and I would be redirected to the login page again. But this time my email is verified. So let's just log in without any issues. Let me just log in, and yeah, this is the home page. This is the nav bar, the same thing, but with a difference. Now here it is logged out, as the user is now logged in. Like I said earlier, I didn't spend too much time on the front end, so it's pretty average. But the real magic happens in here. So before we chat with Luna, I would like walk you through the rest of the home page. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see there's a 3 rows of marquees. So what it needs to be doing is, let's say here, write a text asking a friend to be my +1 at a wedding. This is a like a question or something like that, or history of automobiles. Let's say if I click on this text needs to be sent to the chatbot, and the chatbot needs to reply to based on that text. So that's what it should be doing, but I didn't have enough time to also incorporate this, so I just put it as a mock-up. So if we scroll down further, uh, it's like about a section. I have highlighted the main points here: AI chatbot introduce and response, things like that, and a small thing like and yeah, these two also like what do you say, like an advertisement to the Luna project. it says one conversation like intelligent chat, things like that. If we scroll down again, and here is like a contact us section, sort of. And this thing here, if we hover above it, it shows where the company is located on the map. So I haven't done this myself. I imported this thing from a site known as UIverse. Many developers, it is well known site. We can get so many good things, good components like this. And yeah, and here is the footer. So that's about it in the home page. Now let me just chat with Luna. I go here and click on that. As you can see, this is the AI chatbot, and I didn't pay too much attention on the front end, as you can see. So, but it keeps the job done. So there's an initial message from Luna. Hey, hi, I'm Luna AI chatbot. You can ask me anything. So let me just uh, say hi and click on send. Your message would appear here, and the message from the response from Luna would appear here. Yeah, here. Hello there. How can I help you? So let me just ask it a simple question. What is the capital of India? And if I send that, it should take like 2 to 3, maybe 4 seconds. I need to optimize the chatbot a little more. Yeah, as you can see, the capital of India is New Delhi. So yeah, after a short delay, the Luna responds. The chatbot is powered by Google Gemini API. I'm using the free version of it, which makes it capable of having intelligent and dynamic conversations. And it is built using Python, Django, and for the front end, it is Tailwind. And if you found this interesting, make sure to like my video and share it. Also, check out my LinkedIn and my YouTube channel. So let me know. Also, let me know what features I should add next. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.